Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make dashi shio potato. It's just a simple potato fries, but I'm making it a bit Japanesey by adding dashi flavor. Very easy to make, but the dashi flavor brings it to the next level. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this dashi shio potato, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 3 to 4 potatoes depending on the size. 2 teaspoons of hondashi instant Japanese soup stock, 1 teaspoon of salt, 4 tablespoons of potato starch or cornstarch. For the dipping sauce, some soy sauce and mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available. I'm using the potato with the skin on, so I washed it really well. Let's cut it into bite-sized pieces. About this size. And put them in a bowl that you can microwave. Put hondashi, salt, 2 tablespoons of water, and give it a good mix. Cover it and microwave 5 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a mix. Cover it. And another 4 to 5 minutes at 600 watts until it's nice and soft. I did 10 minutes total, and the toothpick can easily go through. There is a little bit of water left at the bottom of the bowl, so let's drain it. Back into the bowl. Let's dust with the starch. Okay, time to fry them. I'm heating up some vegetable oil in the frying pan. It's about 1 inch from the bottom, over medium-high heat. Let's check the temperature. Put lamb chopsticks into the oil. And if you see small bubbles coming up like this, the oil is ready. So let's fry them. Put the potatoes gently into the oil. and just fry them until it's golden brown. Try not to touch them too much. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. And it's looking good. So let's take them out and drain. Before moving on to the next batch, clean up the oil. Remove the bits as much as you can. Okay, all fried. Let's make the dipping sauce. The dipping sauce is just a mixture of mayonnaise and soy sauce, and the ratio is up to you, but I'm doing 2 to 1. And if you want to make it spicy, shichimi, Japanese chili mix, as much as you like. Give it a good mix. And the sauce is ready. Let's try. Itadakimasu. It's so crispy on the outside and fluffy inside. The hint of dashi flavor and the sauce are the perfect match, and it's delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Dashi potato is a side, so it goes here, and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about oyakodon here, which will also cover the main, and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!